So here it's printing from the right to the left, and it's writing letters. And when it gets to the far left, where there's a B, it's supposed to go directly to the right side and the start of layer 2, because this is layer 1, and between layer 1 and layer 2 there's this funny printing that happens that I don't know what causes that and what setting can remove it. So here's B, and you'll see after B is finished what happens now. Okay, see, has little jumps and printing in between those jumps, and I don't know why it's printing there. It's not supposed to print there. Even in the G-code viewer it doesn't show that it's supposed to print there, and I've changed all the settings that I could think of and are doing a difference, like change the slicing mode, change the slice gap radius, where's this other thing, see if I find it. Detect thin walls, I switched that on off to see if it matters. Extra perimeters, tested that, also nothing. Fill gaps, switch that on and off, also nothing. Then I changed some settings here in the extruder itself, where I just wanted to see if the wipe on retracting maybe causes that, or I don't know, like all random stuff that's not supposed to do with it that might have. I tried. So for instance, here's on the computer, here's line 1. You see it goes there, right, gets to B, to end of line 1. Here we go to line 2, then we go to start of line 2, and there's where it's supposed to start. So it ends here. It's supposed to move like from here to there and just start there, but now it has this whole lot of random things that it does in between that I don't know why. For instance, let's say it fills this triangle, and maybe a gap there or whatever. Like, that's kind of what it seems to be doing, is trying to fill gaps that it missed, or I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't make sense. I don't know what causes this. Even if you go to the G-code viewer, there also you can see it ends here, next line, go to the start of next line, and it starts there. So what happens in between these two codes? That's what I'm trying to figure out, like what writes that code and why, and how do you change the settings for it? Because it doesn't seem to be the normal settings, or I don't know if it's even the Prusa Slicer like default doing this, or I don't know. This is weird. So for instance, here's beginning of line 2, right? 1855, and end of line 1 is 1783. Okay, 1783, and in between those is all this code. Is that little stop and goes where it's printing that little funny triangles and what. So basically what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to move from this one straight to there, or maybe let's say it must include this last one, which may be the coordinates of the new position, and that's all I actually want. I don't want all these funny things in between. I don't know what does that. And obviously you can't go through every single line of your print and manually remove all that, because that's going to take a very long time. But that's basically what I need. So I need it to be there, finished, and then move straight to point B, which is there, and then keep going. Not this little randomly supersonic print in between that just causes stringing straight through the words.